Hi, my name is Jan Pasjot. I'm Managing Director of USP and I'm doing this for over 30 years. Today I'm going to give you a glimpse of this beautiful company and a team I'm very proud of. The research projects we do are done for international companies. When we started USP, we were mainly working for Dutch companies, and nowadays we are heavily internationally. We also have offices in Germany and Zagreb. We have a dedicated and ambitious team, which we appreciate very much. We have experts on data analysis, different research methodologies, and of course experts in the field of construction and installation. By focusing on the talents and the personal development of our team members, we have achieved great results over the last years. And our customer satisfaction is almost a 9. We are a fast-growing company and we are looking for more ambitious people to join our team.
Are you up for the challenge? Because I would love to welcome you to our great team.